Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update. A lot of people have been asking me what I think of what Microsoft has updated. So here goes. Already Windows 10 has a little something that a lot of people are complaining about privacy. A lot of people think Windows and Microsoft are kind of snooping on us with a lot of the settings. Am not totally there because honestly, if you use a cell phone, if you use a smartphone with Android or an Apple iPhone, you're being snooped on a million times more than whatever Microsoft does in Windows. But there are some concerns, and it's normal, and I think it's normal to have concerns about this and think about it. And it's important to talk about it because we gotta, we can accept certain things, but we got to make sure that Microsoft also understands that, we know, and that there's a limit to what we can accept in our privacy snooping, if you want. But now it's interesting because Microsoft has updated its terms of services on Skype and on when you talk about Cortana. And when you go to the website, it now actually says that, well, there could be some manual means of listening in or looking at the data, which translates roughly to humans can be listening in. So what we learn is that Microsoft has quietly updated its term of services to say that, for example, on Skype translations, there could be a human listening in to make sure. So what they say is to make sure that the translations are okay, and it's to make sure that the things that happen there, the translations are good, and that things work correctly. But this is a third-party company. It's not even Microsoft listening. It's third-party companies being used for that. And there's a lot of unknowns in there. And there's the company that did this have the same privacy, not just knowledge, but privacy oriented kind of idea like Microsoft wants. So the other thing is Cortana. They also admit that Cortana, some queries that we actually do with Cortana can be listened by a human to make sure that the activities in that Cortana works well. So this is interesting. And what I think about it, well, honestly, I got a little bit more of a problem with this. I get the drift. I get the gist that you want to make sure that things work well, but I got a problem with these big companies, because now we learned that every company was doing it, Google, Facebook, and so on. I got a problem with that. I honestly don't think companies should be doing it that way. I don't think that's a good idea. Most companies have stopped doing it. Microsoft did not and will not. So I don't know. Every other company is like, well, okay, we stopped doing it because I see that it's a problem. But Microsoft did not. It's still doing it. And maybe they should do like the other companies and like just go ahead and stop also and say, you know what, we've stopped doing it also because yeah, we kind of see that it might be a problem and that there's privacy concerns around it. But instead, they kind of use the good old way of just updating the terms and services and kind of quietly adding that to the terms of services. So anyways, what do you think about this? I think Microsoft should stop doing it like the other companies did. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.